What I'm going to get into today and share with you is something that the average person can do to make money. And this isn't some crazy bro marketing, get rich quick scheme. This is something that you can do where you take what you're already good at, things that you already love, and turn it into something that you're paid for with not a ton of extra time on your end, which obviously sounds super sexy, right? It's literally helped 150,000 students make on average $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So we're not talking like gonna become a mega millionaire with this, but it is a realistic thing that really anyone can do to make money if that's something that they want to do. I always say, I don't want to help a few people become millionaires. I want to help millions of people make a few extra $1,000 a month. Back in the day, when I first started to want to make a little extra money, because I was like super in debt and had no money, I would see these things to make money online, and it always felt like such a scam. It always felt like such a I'm going to lose money. And a lot of them are, but every so often you find something that is realistic. I firmly believe that every single person who wants to make extra money should launch and sell a digital product. I've had students from literally any industry you can think of. I have a student, she's like an extreme example, but she's hitting almost $1 million teaching parents how to knit felt hats for their kids' birthdays. I can barely get the sentence out. It's so random. But that's like on the extreme end of the random example. We have people who are relationship coaches, who are parenting experts, who are, social media experts, who are real estate agents, who teach like keeping decluttering, who teach friendships, who teach really baking, cooking, gluten-free stuff, anything you can think of. I promise you, I have a student success story for that. And it's given me so much confidence to say, hey, no matter what your idea is, no matter what your skills are, no matter what your hobby is, you can make a few extra $1,000 a month with it. And you can do that a lot faster than you think you can. Digital products are very easy to create. They do not take a long time to just produce. And it's very easy to sell them. My aunt, literally today, she started her Instagram account. She's followed my courses perfectly, and she just launched her digital product today, and she's already getting a whole bunch of sales. It was launched like an hour ago, and I think she's up to like 10 or 15 sales on her first day. And she's teaching long distance grandparents how to have better FaceTimes with their grandkids. And so she comes up with FaceTime activities, FaceTime ideas. Like that's such a random, unique industry, but it's something that she really cares about. Now, let me tell you why I think everyone should be launching a digital product. We are in such an age of opportunity. AI for us, I know people are worried about AI taking their jobs, we're making a ton of money and we are using AI to sell and market our digital products. And really fundamentally what this comes down to, in my opinion, if you were to ask me, is that if you are unhappy with your financial reality, great, go launch a digital product. Because I see in any industry, people changing their lives. I had a girl the other day, she was on a call, we'll put it up here on the screen, she was crying because she launched digital products following my advice, and she was able to buy a house in a very special neighborhood to her right next to, I believe it was her parents. And so she literally said, like, Maria, you changed my life.
I just bought the house right behind my parents and we're moving in this week. And that would have never been possible without Maria. And I'm so sorry, I'm getting so emotional right now.
And I would tell her, actually, you changed your life and digital products changed your life. And it's just at the point where I now see people, I'm like, hey, I love that you aren't happy with the money that's in your bank account, because I actually have a really tangible, practical solution, which is to get yourself together, put your big girl panties on and launch a digital product. It really will change your life. I genuinely believe in that from the bottom of my heart, because day in and day out, I'm getting testimonials and I'm getting screenshots and I'm getting success stories every single day from people literally all over the world who are choosing to get their income up by launching a digital product. And by the way, don't worry, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to do this in case you're like, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to get started. But for now, before I do that, I wanna talk about what to expect when you go to launch your digital product, because I think that bad expectations causes people to fail more than anything else. So what should you realistically expect when you go to launch a digital product? Okay, there's 3 things that you need to know about having realistic expectations when you go to launch your digital product. The first is time. How much time should I expect to spend creating my digital product? And I would say that on average, if you can give me 8 to 10 hours total, you can launch a digital product. And that's really surprising to people because they think that launching a digital product takes 30, 40, 50 hours. That's just not the case. If you're taking that long, you're doing it wrong. A good digital product, less is more. More is not more with a digital product, less is more. And so you should not be spending a ton of time creating your digital product. It should be good, but you should be creating just what you need in that digital product for the customer to have the end result. It's not 80 videos. It's not pages and pages and pages. It's a short, bite-sized product that actually gets a specific result. And so when you do a digital product that way, it should take you no more than 8 to 10 hours to create. So that's the first thing, is time expectations. Second thing is that you need to get your head screwed on straight for the experiments that you are going to be running. Some things that you try as you go to market your digital product, as you go to sell your digital product, as you go to launch your digital product, are going to work. Some things are not. We run a ton of experiments at my company. 9 out of 10 of them fail. That's great, because one that works skyrockets it to the point where now we're getting like 200 to 300 orders a day because of 1 or 2 great marketing experiments. But we have a graveyard of failed ideas and a graveyard of failed marketing experiments, and that's fine. And so when you see this journey of adding a few extra $1,000 a month to your income from digital products, when you see this journey as an experimental journey, you're not shocked when some things don't work right away. That's normal. You expect that, and you aren't bothered by that because you know that's part of the game. Third is your mindset. I find that it is so helpful if you go into digital product creation, this entire business world, with the attitude of gratitude. We are so lucky, especially if you're watching this and you're a woman. There are so many parts of the world right now where women and girls, they spend their whole day going to get clean water and coming back. They don't get to go to school, they don't get to work, they don't get to do anything except provide their family with clean water. And so the fact that we are even in a conversation where we get to work towards making a little bit of extra money is an amazing opportunity. As a woman, especially, think about the fact that like in the 70s, when my grandma was my age, she couldn't get a credit card unless her husband or brother or father signed for her. And so we go into this journey of marketing and this journey of business, this journey of digital product creation with an attitude of gratitude. And what that mindset does is it allows us to have less friction when things inevitably come up. We're not riding this massive emotional roller coaster of ups and downs. We're just chilling, because we know that we're lucky to be here. And so what that will do is it will keep you in the game longer. It'll keep you working towards this longer, which is what we ultimately want, because the longer you're in this, the more money you do make. If I could give you one tip to make your digital product a raving wild success, and really your business, it's if you persevere, you will be successful. My mentor said this to me a long time ago. She said, Maria, you don't fail, you quit or you succeed. And I loved that because I've never quit. I've been doing this for 13, almost 14 years now, and I've just not quit. And I've become wildly successful. I've made $21 million as of the time of this recording selling low-ticket digital products. That's crazy. But in my first year, do you know how much I made? $63. And in my second year, I made $350. And so I had such an attitude of gratitude and such an attitude of perseverance that's really allowed me to just keep going, which has enabled me to reap all of the profits that I could have possibly wanted. And by the way, if you want me to show you what to do so you make more than $63 in your first year, I'll show you. Okay, so let me show you everything that you need if you're gonna do this the right way. Okay, so what I did is I created an entire bundle of everything that you need in order to sell your own digital products in an afternoon. So I show you how to get a best-selling idea, viral price points, how to do market research so you know your product is going to sell, how to set up automations that help market and sell your product, how to do it fast. We include templates. We tell you everything that your digital product should and should not have. It's freaking amazing. Lots of stuff is included. A lot of great testimonials. It's $9, $1 each. Links in the description. I'll see you there.